Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. It's kind of springtimey and it's really just bright and cheerful. My dress that I'm wearing today is from ModCloth. It's like a bright just green color. So I matched my eyeshadow to the dress and then I matched my lipstick to my red heels that I'm wearing. And as always, all the products that I used on my face today will be listed down in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. And I really hope that you enjoy watching this video, and let's get into the makeup. I'm going for like a green look today, like a green, similar to the dress that I'm wearing type of green. For my face primer, I'm using the Hangover 2 and 3-in-1. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of the NYX pore filler primer just on the center of my face for just a little bit of mattifying power. I'm using the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. I have the shade Fair. I'm gonna just start with a half pump and then blend it out. And now I'm going in with my under eye concealer, and I'm using the Bear With Me concealer serum by NYX. I have the shade Light, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of this and dot it underneath my eyes and then blend it out with my foundation brush. I'm gonna set my whole face with the RCMA loose powder on this big fluffy Wet n Wild brush. For my blush, I'm using this one by Malibu. Glitz. The shade is number 3 Rouge Rose. I'm pretty sure I got this from Shop Miss A. I've had it for a while. I'm just going to dab a bit of this on my cheeks. This is like a shinier blush, so it kind of adds a bit of a highlight too. This dress does not want to stay up. It's a very, very cute dress. I'm going to show you the whole thing in a little while, but these little straps don't want to stay up. Okay, so I'm starting on my eyes. Let me zoom in a little bit for this. And for my eyes, I'm going to do a bit of a green look to kind of match the green in the dress. And I have 2 shades from this Morphe Live in Color. It's the 25L palette that I'm going to be using. These 2 green shades here. One of them is shimmery and one of them is not. I'm going to start with the shade Nature. I just get a little bit of this and just start blending this into my crease here. I'm blending it in my crease kind of up to my eyebrow, but fading it out when I get up to the top portion. Take a little bit of this also and put it on my lower lash line. Okay, so we've got a little bit of green around both eyes. So now I'm going to take the other green shade in this palette. It's a more lighter shimmery one. It's called Activisim. And I'm going to blend this just over top of where I already have the green, just to bring a little bit more of that type of a green and a little bit more shimmer into the green I already have. And whenever I'm blending out and on the bottom, make sure that the bottom shadow connects with the top shadow on the outer corner of the eye there. I'm taking a really small amount of the shade Thrive, which is a little bit of a warmer greeny yellow. I can't explain colors very well. It's a little bit warmer, a little bit more yellow, and I'm blending this on top of the other shadows just to brighten up the green just a smidgen. Okay, I also filled in my eyebrows. And now last little thing for the eyeshadow itself is I'm going to take the shade Activisim, which is the shinier green, on my finger. It looks like this. And I'm going to just press that all over my lids to cover them. I'm going to put on some false lashes today, which it's been a long time since I've worn false lashes, but I have these new ones by Kiss that I've never tried. They're kind of like half lashes, where they're not a full lash, it's a little bit shorter. So I'm going to try those. First, I'm going to add some setting spray. And it is so windy all of a sudden. You can see my curtain is being trying to be sucked out the window. And I'm using the same one I primed with, the Too Faced one. I rarely ever curl my lashes, but I'm going to do that today. And now I'm going to do mascara. This is by Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Volume Mascara. These are by Kiss. The, I didn't realize they came with glue. They're called, Freckles is the, style. I have my own glue, the Duo glue, but I think I'll use the Kiss glue they came with, because it's such a cute little tiny bottle. While the glue dries on these lashes, I sit here and hold them. I'm going to go ahead and start on my lips. I'm going to line them with my usual lip liner. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Spicy. I'm filling them in with this liquid lipstick by About Face. This shade is Serrated Bite. It's a nice red color. I don't wear it as often as some of my other shades because it's a little bit more of an oranger red than a blue red, which I, gear towards. However, I'm matching my lipstick to my shoes. My shoes are a bright red and they're a little bit more of an orangey red, so I'm doing this one because I will match those. Okay, I've got the lashes all on. They're really, really pretty. Also, I got my lips all lined. These are really pretty lashes. I'm not used to, I haven't worn lashes in so long, so they feel a little bit weird. But they're really pretty, and they only kind of stop right here. I'm going to take a little bit of a liquid liner and kind of touch up that inner corner section so they blend a little bit better. Okay, I touched up the liner, or I mean the like inner corner of my eye a little bit with some black liner. I used the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. And now I'm going to fill in my lips with my liquid lipstick. And I'm not going to do any highlighter today because the blush I used is glowy enough. So this is the finished makeup look. And I want to show you my outfit really quickly that I'm wearing today. My makeup is just like based off of this outfit. I got this dress. I'm wearing this little white bodysuit that I like always wear. The straps will not stay up with this dress. I got this dress from ModCloth recently. I don't know the brand, but I will put it in the description box. And then my shoes are also from ModCloth. They're the same color as my lipstick, just these bright red pumps. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you come back to see more of my content. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursday mornings. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!